Today we're going hands-on with the Landshark Pro Crack Cleaner. It's designed to clean cracks and crevices in asphalt and concrete surfaces. Cleaning away debris and undergrowth is extremely important before laying down crack filler and applying sealant. Using the Pro Crack Cleaner will save you time and allows for a more professional, longer-lasting crack fill and sealant application. This unit features a Honda GX120 4-horsepower engine. Alternatively, it's also available with a 5.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. The Landshark has a 4-wheel design for added stability. All wheels feature steel hubs with ball bearings and solid axles, front and rear, for smoother and easier maneuverability. And convenient controls allow the operator to adjust depth and brush engagement, belt tension, as well as engine throttle control, all from the handlebars. Adjustable tension belt drive provides reliable power to the brush and reduces slippage during operation. Shielding keeps the debris off the belt and provides extra safety. The heavy-duty 8-inch diameter wire brush is ideal for cleaning out expansion joints and cracks in asphalt or concrete. Watch it tear through the vegetation and destroy the debris in this crack.